Aloha, this is Robert Huber of eXp Realty. I'm over at 45-075 Waikalua Road in Kaneohe. And we are looking at 3758 on square footage. We're right on the water. It was built in 2018 and remodeled this last year. Amazing little fish pond there. Kaneohe Bay. List price, we're currently accepting offers at beginning at 2.188. Here we have the master bathroom, walk-in closet, double vanity, sunken tub, open shower space. Beautifully done. Everything done top to bottom here, all brand new. And then we go downstairs. We have a large garage, by the way, big enough to fit 2 trucks. This is a perfect multi-generational family for Hawaii. I highly recommend coming. I'll be open till 5 o'clock. Downstairs lanai. Nice little bench down there. Oops. Nice little bench down there. You can sit and watch the water, birds. Sitting area. Big master bedroom downstairs also. Bath connecting here. Extra closet space. You can see the boat ramp right here, community boat ramp right next door. So it's wonderful. It is a closed community. They're talking about gating it. And here we are. Back in Kaneohe. Give me a call. My number is 808-457-5200. Robert Huber with eXp Realty. I'd be more than glad to talk to you about the current jumbo rate buy down, 7 years. To be able to afford this, getting in at around 5% interest rate, 5.28 or so, be a wonderful opportunity for 2 families to pick this up at this current time. Aloha no, hui ho.